Good day, parents. So again, start natin yung another lesson, which is third module. Sa gayong sinabi natin nung nauna, we would like to thank the Department of Education for providing us with the module na gagamitin natin for the self-learning of our students. Pero syempre, tulungan din natin, diba? So the topic for this is performing a series of more than 2 operations on whole numbers, applying parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or also what we call the PMDAS, or grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or GMDAS correctly. So again, this is the third module. So alamin natin. So as a review, what do you think would be the possible answer? Diba? So kunyari, what is the value of 125 minus 34 plus 7 times 3? So mayroon tayo mga choices. So ang gawin na natin is we have to find out. Pero, syempre, ito yung example na kung parang review lang. Parang we are alam lang kung alam natin yung lesson. Okay? So, ano kaya yung possible answer natin dyan? Diba? So, there are different choices. So, alamin daw natin. Pero, there is a proper way of having the correct answer. Kaya nga nang sinabi, gagamit tayo ng what we call the, sabi natin dito is the here, the PMDAS, sorry. And the other one is the GMDAS. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng PMDAS? That is parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. PMDAS nga. And then the GMDAS is grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay? So, iyan yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Dapat, whenever we answer equations na mayroong ganong halo-halong operation. So, alamin natin. Okay, so diretso na tayo. These are just review. So, ito yung example niya. Sabi, Alex and Alan are both working on the value of the expression 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Kaya lang, however, they have different answers. Alex answered 6, while Alan answered 11. Of the two students, who answered correctly? So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong equation na sasagutan. Okay? So, ang sabi daw dyan is, ito yung isasolve natin. Okay? 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Sorry for that. Okay. So, meron kasing dapat na tayong sundan. Okay. Ang sabi dyan, in a series of operations without grouping symbols, multiplication and division are performed first from left to right, followed by addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Sabihin, left to right ang pagkuha ng sagot natin. So, ang mauna ay yung tinasabi nga nila na multiplication followed by division, and then addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. Ibig sabihin ng whichever comes first from left to right, kung alin daw ang mauna sa multiplication or division, yun ang uunahin. Pero, di ba, in this case, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, let's say, multiplication and division muna. Yung nauna. Kaya lang, nakita natin, nauna yung division kaysa sa multiplication. Kasi, since left to right yan, kahit na sa ating rule ay nauna ang multiplication, still uunahin natin ay ang division natin kaysa sa multiplication. Kaya ang sabi, whichever comes first from left to right. Ganon din sa A and S or addition, subtraction. Kunyari, nauna naman yung subtraction before the addition, uunahin natin yung subtraction. So, kung susundan natin yung example, okay? So, the example is, ito na lang naman na gamitin natin. So, ito daw yung isolve natin. 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. So, dun sa rule natin na PMDAS, nauna ay ang P, which stands for parentheses, followed by multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, when you look at the equation, meron ba dyang P? Kung merong P or parentheses, yun ang uunahin nating sasagutan. Followed by multiplication. So, tingnan mo yung equation. Ang nauna, meron tayo dyan nakita na multiplication. So, ito yun. Okay? So, dahil yan ay nauna, yan ang uunahin nating isasagot. Kaya, so yung 2, ito yan. And then yung 4 times 3, naging 12. Okay? And then, kinapi muna yung dalawa. Minus 6 divided by 2. Okay? So, nasa division na tayo. Okay? So, sa division. So, natira sa atin ay 2. Yun yung 2, binaba. Yung 4 times 3, naging 12. And then, since itong subtraction, para dyan, so, kailangan mo muna nating i-perform yung operation na division. Kaya, minus quantity divided by 2. So, kapag ano nang naging sagot, kapag ganyan naging equation, punta na tayo doon sa susunod natin. So, balikan natin. Diba? So, ito na yan. So, i-perform natin to. 6 divided by 2, kaya naging 3. Okay? Okay, again. Yung 2, ito yan. Yung 12, ito yan. At yung 6 divided by 2, ito yan. So, 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So, division yon. Next is addition. So, meron ba tayo nakikitang addition? So, supposed to be, ang natira sa atin ay 2 plus 12 minus 3. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, since tapos na tayo sa division, ito yung di-divide natin, sunod natin yung addition. So, sunod natin yung 2 plus 12. So, yung 2 plus 12 na yon magiging, ito ay 3. So, yung 2 plus 12, magiging 14 minus 3. Ayun yan. Ito. And then yung 3, ayun. Kaya naging 14 minus 3. And then, since the last operation is subtraction, ito subtract lang natin. Diba? So, that will be 14 minus 3 equals 11. So, the correct answer is 11. Ngayon, balikan natin yung problem. Sino kaya ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Sabi, Alex answered 6. Ano? Alex answered 6 while Alan answered 11. So, si Alan ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay. Next, another example. So, binigyan tayo ng isang example. So, kunyari yun. Ito yung example natin. Okay. So, yan yung example. So, makikita natin meron ng ganun. Sorry. Ulit ha. Meron na siyang parenthesis. Ganun, no? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, meron siya nun. So, kapag sinabing merong parenthesis, disregard muna natin to. Wag muna yan. So, dun muna tayo sa loob ng parenthesis magsosolve. So, syempre, since still nasa loob pa rin sila ng parenthesis, susundan pa rin natin yung susunod, yung PMDAS. Okay? So, makikita natin inside the parenthesis, 4 plus 2 times 5. So, nagkaroon ng dalawang example daw, dalawang bata. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung sagot ng unang bata. So, yung pupil number 1. So, 4 plus 2 times 6. Doon pa rin siya nga nag-una, doon sa parenthesis. Kaya lang, from equation na 4 plus 2 times 5, naging 6 times 5. Ano nangyari? Inuna niya yung 4 plus 2, kaya nagkaroon siya ng 6. Diba? According to the rule, PMDAS. Diba? Mauuna ba yung A kesa dun sa M? Okay. So, sundan lang natin yung sagot niya. Tapos, multiply niya 6 times 5, kaya naging 30. And then, nakita niya na 30 divided by 7 plus 3. Inuna niya yung addition kesa sa division. So, kaya anong nangyari? 7 plus 3 equals 10. So, yung 30, bring down lang. Kaya ang naging 30 divided by 10 equals 3. So, ang sagot daw niya ay 3. Okay? So, tama kaya? Tingnan natin yung sagot ng isang bata. Remember ha, this is the rule. Ito yung rule natin. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung sagot ng yung pupil number 2. Okay? Ayan. Ayan, sabi, PMDAS ha. So, first, perform the operation what is inside the parenthesis. And then, after knowing the numbers inside the parenthesis, we still have to follow yung PMDAS. Okay? So, ano ba yung mauuna? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, ito ay may addition. Dito ay may multiplication. Una ba yung addition kaysa sa multiplication? No. Sabi nga, multiplication muna. So, 2 times 5, kaya naging 10. Then, bring down 4. Sabi nga, letter P, parenthesis, you have to perform the parenthesis, we have to perform the operation inside the parenthesis first. So, 4 plus 10 equals 14. And then, yung mga remaining numbers, kinokopya lang natin yan kasi inuuna nga natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? So, next, anong gagawin? Since 40 na siya, kopyahin mo lang yung mga yan. Yan o. Kinopya niya lang pababa. Now, ano nakikita natin? 14 divided by 7 plus 3. So, ano ba una? Ang natira sa atin ay division at addition. So, ano una? Division o addition? Siyempre, una yung division. Kaya nga, we follow the rule PMDAS. Diba? So, nangyayari dyan is 14 divided by 7 equals 2. And then, ito, bring down lang. Kaya, 2 plus 3. So, siyempre, ang sagot niya ay ito, 5. Okay? So, alin daw ang merong tamang sagot? As you can see, the first answer is 3, and then the other answer is 5. Actually, naging uso to sa Facebook eh. Okay. Na ang nangyayari, people are given with something like this, an equation using the PMDAS or the GMDAS, then sinasabi, what do you think is the correct answer, di ba? So in this case, magkaiba sila ng sagot, which is 3 and then the other one is 5. Okay, hala, nagloko na yung tablet, ayaw na mag-respond. Okay, so ayun yun. So PMDAS siya. So parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, wait lang ha. Nagloko. Pasensya na, this is tuloy-tuloy na video. So kaya medyo kanya nangyayari. Okay, so ayun no. Ito yung naging kanyang what do you call this? Paliwanag doon sa ating equation na nasa taas. So ano yung nakuha ang sagot? Ayun no. Ito yung ibinigay na sagot, which is 5. So katulad ng ginawa natin, sabi, first is solve the operations inside the parentheses. Ayun. So inuna niya yung nandoon sa loob ng parentheses. So sa loob ng parentheses, inuna niya yung multiplication. 2 times 5, kaya naging 10. And then add 4, kaya naging 14. Divide 14 by 7, kaya naging 2. And then i-add yung 3, kaya nakuha yung 5. Okay? So ganun yun. That is kung merong parenthesis na given. So ito yung rule. Diba? Number 1 is you have to perform the operation inside the grouping symbol. So, kumbaga, yun nandoon daw sa parentheses. So, parentheses, and then, pwede siyang bracket, and then braces. And then, first, beginning with the innermost pair. Diba? And then, sabi rule number 2, simplify the expression with exponents. If meron, rule number 3, perform multiplication and division as they appear from left to right. Okay? Ganito yan. So, ito yung sundan natin. So, ito yung example niya. Oops, nagloko na naman ang aking iPad. Wait lang ha. Okay, so ito yun. Simplify daw natin. Okay? Ang sabi sa rule number 1 is, kung may parenthesis, i-perform mo na yung nasa parenthesis. Okay? So, since wala naman nasa parenthesis, proceed tayo sa pangalawa, which is ang sabi ay kung meron siya namang na exponent. Sorry. Okay? Ito yan o. Sa rule number 1, kung meron daw parenthesis, brackets, and then braces. And then rule number 2, kung merong exponent. Okay? So, in this example, wala yung rule number 1. Kaya doon sa solution, nagsimula na agad sa rule number 2. Okay? Susundan natin. Okay? So, rule number 2 ang una niyang ginawa. Ano yun? 6 raised to 2. 6 raised to 2. 6, oh yeah, sorry, ano ba yan? Ano nangyayari? Okay, 6 raised to 2. Ang ibig sabihin ng 6 raised to 2 ay 6 times 6. Okay, which is 36. Ito ay hindi yan 6 times 2. Mali ito. Okay, kapag sinabing exponent, you're going to multiply the base number depending on the number of times it is written in the exponent. Oh, sorry, meron patlastas. May tricycle yung motor na dumadaan. Pasensya na, nasa tabing kalsada po tayo, kaya ganyan medyo merong patalastas. Okay, again, ang 6 raised to 2 ay 6 times 6, kaya siya naging 36. Hindi po iyan 6 times 2. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, So, unahin natin. Proceed to the explanation. And then, ito na yung makikita natin na nauna yung division kesa sa multiplication. Ang sinasabi natin is, whenever we perform operation, kailangan una yung multiplication compared sa division. Okay? Kaya lang, kapag ang nangyari na yung division, ito yun, pag ang nangyari na yung division ay nauna sa multiplication, uunahin natin yung division. Kaya ang sabi, perform multiplication and division, whichever comes first, starting from left to right. Okay? So in this case, kahit na according dun sa rule ay multiplication, division, but since in the equation, makikita natin na nauna yung division, uunahin pa rin nating sagutan or i-perform yung division kesa sa multiplication. Kasi, ganito yan. Kung ito ang uunahin natin, 36 divided by 3, lalabas yung 12. Diba? Pero, kung ang gagawin natin ay 36 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5 plus 1, kung inuna natin yung multiplication, magiging 36 divided by 6 yan, plus 5 plus 1. Makikita natin na iba na yung solusyon doon sa sinasabi sa atin ng lesson, di ba? So, anong mangyayari? Siyempre, magiging mali na yung sagot natin. So, gaya nga ng sinasabi natin, we follow the rule, di ba? So, ayan, no? Ayan yung sabi, oh. Sa rule number 2, simplify the expression with exponents if there are any. So, ayan yun. And then, sa rule number 3, perform multiplication and division as they appear from left to right. Okay? Uunahin mo yung multiplication compared sa division kung nauna yung multiplication. Pero, kung mauuna naman yung division, uunahin mo ang division. Di ba? Medyo tricky. Pero, that's how it works. So, again, kahit na meron tayong nakikita na ang sabi sa rule ay PMDAS, na mauuna daw yung multiplication compared sa division. Okay? So, hindi natin, kahit na nauna yung multiplication, hindi pa rin natin pwedeng unahin yung operation ng multiplication doon sa ating operation. So, ayan ito. Okay? Inuna niya yung, kahit na nauna yung division kaysa multiplication, but sinasabi nga na multiplication muna dapat, uunahin pa rin natin yung division. Kaya, siya ay naging 36 divided by 3, naging 12. Okay? So, 12 na siya. So, 36 divided by 3, kaya naging 12 times 2 plus 5 minus 1. Ngayon, since ang natira sa ating operation ay multiplication, addition, and subtraction, syempre, unahin natin yung multiplication. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 24. Okay? So, meron na tayong natira sa atin ay 24 plus 5 minus 1. Ito yung sinasabi natin na addition and subtraction. Diba? Dito, since nauna ang addition kaysa sa multiplication, uunahin pa rin natin yung addition. So, 24 plus 5 equals 29. And then 29 minus 1 will give us 28. Ayun. Diba? 28 na yung lumabas na sagot. Okay? So, let's try again. Proceed tayo dun sa lesson. Example number 2. Ayan. Ito, medyo mahaba-haba ito. Okay? Unahin na, mapapansin natin na ang sistema nito, medyo gumamit siya ng bracket at gumamit din siya ng parentheses. Okay? So, ang sabi sa rule number 1, unahin daw yung parentheses. Okay? Or brackets. starting from the innermost. So, since ang innermost natin, since ang innermost natin ay itong 10 minus 8, so unahin natin yon. So, itong p, disregard muna natin yan kasi mamaya pa yan eh. Okay? So, yung 10 minus 8, yan. 2. Kaya nagkaroon ng 2. So, yung 4, ito yung 4. Yung minus 2, ito yan. Yung times, kasi, itong 2 na to, galing yan dito sa 10 minus 8. Okay? And then, just copy the remaining numbers in the equation. Okay? Dahan, isa-isa lang. Next. Sabi, alamin daw kung alin yung merong nauna. So, dito, makikita natin, ang dami ng mga una-una, madami ng mga operation. Dito may multiplication. Dito may division. Dito may multiplication. Okay? So, ang ginawa, nag-stick pa din sa MDAS. Kaya nagkaroon ng 2 times 2 equals 4. Ito yung 4. So, plus 12 divided by 6 times 1. Okay? So, inuna yung multiplication. Next, ang natira sa atin ay 4 minus 4 plus 12 divided by 6 plus 1. So, dahil dito, nakita natin dito, subtraction, addition, division, and then multiplication. Diba? Siyempre, ang gagawin natin dyan is, dito, tingnan natin to. Dahil nauna pa din yung division kaysa sa multiplication, uunahin pa rin natin yung division. Yung 4 na to, ito yan. 4 na to, ayan yan. Yung 12 divided by 6, naging 2 times 1. Okay? So, ganun ang nangyari. Okay? So, yung 12 divided by 6 naging 2. Next, since sa loob ng ating operation, ang natira sa atin ay subtraction, addition, multiplication, follow natin yung MDAS, which is mauuna pa rin yung multiplication. Kaya, itong 4 na to, 4 pa din. Itong minus 4 na to, minus 4 pa din. And then, pinperform yung 2 times 1, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 2. Okay? So, ang natira sa atin ay 4 minus 4 plus 2. Ito na tayo. 4 minus 4 plus 2. Ngayon, nakikita natin. Okay, nakihan na natin ha. Basta andito na tayo. Sa bandang baba. Okay, para mas medyo malinaw yung mga symbol na ginagawa ko. Okay. Ito na tayo. So, in the bracket, makita natin na ang natitirang operation ay subtraction and addition. Ngayon, sabi, follow PMDAS, but meron siyang konting paliwanag. Perform yung operation ng multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, whichever comes first from the left going to the right. So, ang magkasama kasi ang multiplication, division, at ang addition, subtraction. Okay? So, dahil ito ay may subtraction at ito ay may addition, sorry. Okay, ayan. Okay, dahil nauna yung subtraction compared sa addition, subtract mo lang, iunahin mo to. Unahin yung 4 minus 4. Kaya ayan ay magiging 4 minus 4 equals 0 plus 2. Okay? And then perform yung 0 plus 2. Kaya ka nagkaroon ng 2. And then, syempre, 3 times 2, 6. So that's your answer. Okay? 6. Okay, now if you're having difficulties understanding the lesson, you can always go back to the part of the video kung saan kayo na nililito. Okay? Okay? So this time naman kasi, we're just explaining what is written or what is given in the module by the department. Okay? So, yan yun. So, eto, nabi ulit na example. Diba? Actually, medyo pwede nyo itong parang discuss within yourselves. Okay? Pero syempre, let's try pa din kahit pa paano na mas maipaliwanag. Okay? Evaluate the expression 3 plus quantity or parenthesis 6 times 3 quantity minus 8. Okay? Remember, PMDAS tayo, parenthesis muna. So, since 6 and 3 ay nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun daw muna ang unahin. So, yung 3 kinopya lang, plus, actually, yung symbol sa labas yun, hindi yun dun sa number. Okay? So, 6 times 3, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 18. Yan yun, yung 6 times 3. And then, binaba lang yung 8. Now, ang natira sa atin ay 3 plus 18 minus 8. Add and subtract from left to right. So, dahil nauna ang addition, sa atin, add muna natin yung numbers. So, 3 plus 8, magiging 21 yun. Tandaan nyo, meron tayong minus 8. Minus 8, kaya naging 13. Okay? Ganun. Okay, next. Example number 2. Ganun din. Ayan, no? Perform first expression inside the parenthesis. So, unahin daw yung nasa parenthesis. Okay? Yan, naglolo ko na naman. Ayan na mag-defy. Sensya na. Kaya yan. So, ayan yung sistema. Ito yung ating equation. Medyo mahaba. Pero ganun pa man, urahin pa rin natin yung nasa loob. Nandito naman yung kanyang mga susunod na number. All we're doing here is pinapaliwanag natin kung ano yung mga mauuna na number. Okay? So, ano? Unahin yung nasa loob. So, 14 minus 7. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 7 dito. And then, yung nakikita natin na yan, ito, 14 minus 7, ayan na yan. Binawasan, 7. And then, itong 2 and 7 na yan, that means it's multiplication. So, parang yan. Para to na 2 times 7, kaya naging 14 plus 32. Okay? Since nasa loob siya ng bracket, siya uli ang unahin mo. Okay? So, 14 plus 32, that will give you 46. And then, kopyahin mo lang yung minus 24 divided by 4. Okay? Ang natira sa atin ay addition, subtraction, and division. Again, PMDAS tayo. Unahin natin yung division. Kopyahin muna, 7, bring down 7, plus 46, baba lang din siya. And then minus, sagot nitong dalawa, 24 divided by 4, that's 6. Okay? So, ang natira sa atin ay, ayan. So, 7 plus 46 minus 6. Which will give you, ayan, 47. Bakit? Kasi, kailangan muna natin na i-add. Remember, addition muna bago subtraction. So, add muna yan. 7 plus 46 will give you 53 minus 6. Ayan yan. Kaya naging 47. Okay? So, that's just it naman. So, yan yung pagkuha ng sagot using the PMDAS or the GMDAS. Okay? So, meron tayo mga examples pa dyan. Kaya dito, in this example, okay, compute mentally daw. So, syempre, ganun pa din. PMDAS pa rin yan. Okay? So, there are two choices here. In this example, dalawa. Ang pagpipilian natin sa number 1 daw ay 9 or 10. So, what do you think would be the answer kapag pinerform natin to? Siya ba ay 9? Siya ba yung 10? So, that follows doon sa the rest of the numbers. Okay? And then, yun, ganun din dito. Makikita natin dito, nakalagay dyan, N. Solve independent practice, solve each of the following. So, kukunin mo lang kung ano daw yung N. Paano mo makukuha yung N? Perform mo lang yung operation niya. So, gawin mo yan. Remember, mayroong parenthesis o unahin nyo nasa parenthesis. And then, kung ano man yung makukuha yung sagot, that will be the value of your N. Okay, remember, these are the rules. Rule number 1, perform the operations inside the grouping symbols. So, una ay parenthesis, sunod ay brackets, huling-huli ay braces. Okay? Pero, sabi nga, kailangan matandaan, dun ka magsisimula sa innermost pair, dun sa pinakaloob na bracket. Okay? So, gaya yung nandito natin, yung medyo mahaba. Ito, oh. Diba? Meron siyang bracket at meron siyang parenthesis. Since ang pinakaloob natin ay yung nasa parenthesis, yun ang uunahin. Kaya yung 14 minus 7, ito yan, naging, ayun, 7. Okay? And then, sa rule number 2, simplify the expressions with exponents if any. Tandaan ha, whenever sinabi sa inyo na let's say, kunyari, ang sabi dun sa equation ay 3 raised to 2. Ang ibig sabihin yan ay 3 times 3. Okay? Ito yan. Hindi iyan 3 times 2. Ito ay mali. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin nito ay ilang beses mo gagamitin yung base number. Example, 2 raised to 4. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin yan, i-multiply mo to ng 4 na beses. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, 4 na beses. So, ito yung tama. Hindi yan 2 times 4. Mali. Okay? So, this is wrong. Mali yan. Okay? So, huwag ganun ang inyong gagawin, ha? Okay. So, ayan. May mga examples na sasagutan. Meron siyang mga examples ng expressions. Okay, sagutan lang. Dito, ganun din. Sorry. Okay. So, yan yun. Ganun din. Walang operation. Okay. And the other key. Okay. So, thank you for your time in listening in this video. Okay. You can share this video to your classmates and to the other sections as well para mas maintindihan nila if they need explanations regarding the problem. Okay. So, I hope nakuha ninyo kung ano yung lesson natin. And once again, we would like to thank the Department of Education for providing us the materials or the modules in answering the lesson. Okay, once again, happy learning everyone. Bye-bye.